Hello friends, my name is Habibur Rahman and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn to Code with Habib. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you can watch my videos on the go. Today we will learn how to compare and update SQL Server database project with Visual Studio. First of all, I will talk about my problem. When we are working on any project, a database plays an important role, and after some time, when the number of tables, views and store procedures increases, it becomes too difficult to manage the database changes. It's very difficult to update production database projects, and even after that, when we manage the database, then we still need to compare which script we had worked on and which are remaining on any particular database. There are many good tools available in the market for comparing databases, but most of them are paid. So we can create a new database project and compare from an existing database, a script file or a data tier application. We can then invoke the same Visual Designer tools available for connected database development to make the changes to the offline database project and publish the changes back to the production database. The changes can also be saved as a script to be published later. Using the project properties panel, we can change the target platform to different variants of SQL Server, including SQL Azure. So let's start this. First of all, I will open my Visual Studio 2019. So here I will click on create a new project. I want to create SQL Server database project. So select and click on next button. Here I will write my project name, that is compare and update database. Now click on create button. Visual Studio is creating a database project for me. It will take few moments. So here you can see Visual Studio has created a new database project for me. Now I will right click on my project, select schema compare. Here I will select my target database, click on select connection. So here I can see my connections history. I can also use a new database with this, but I am already using few database, so I will select an existing one, that is MTMDEF. Click on connect button. So Visual Studio is trying to connect this database. Now click on compare button. Visual Studio is comparing the database. It will take few moments. So here you can see the comparing of database projects have been completed. Here you can see my database project do not include all these tables because I just created a new database project. So now I am going to switch source and target database so that I can update my SQL Server database project from the SQL Server database. So now click on compare button again. So now you can select the tables which you want to create in SQL Server database project. I am going to create all the tables. So now click on update button. Are you sure that you want to update the target? Yes, I'm sure. So now Visual Studio is updating my SQL Server database project. Okay, Visual Studio has updated my database project. Now click on compare button again to see that whether my database project is updated or not. And here you can see there is no changes between your database project and SQL Server database. Now click on Solution Explorer. Here you can see there is a new folder named DBO. and inside DBO tables, and here is all the tables that were the part of SQL Server database project. So here you can see all the tables have been created. So in this video we have learned how to compare and update SQL Server database project. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please like my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you can watch my YouTube videos on the go. Thank you so much for being with me.